Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can find sound settings in this smartphone. So at the first you have to open the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find sounds and vibration. And as you can see, here we are. For example, we can change the ring and the notification volume. The same for the alarm and the media. When you scroll down you can find additional settings like Dolby Atmos, earphone mode, or even the live captions. It's a very interesting option, so we can set it up as you want. And here we can also find the system settings. So for example, if you want to disable the dialogue tones, you have it up here. And we can also disable or enable the touch vibration. So as you can see, here we can find a lot of things on this smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.